The secret to making money online. Hi, Jason from Warrior Marketers here, and in this video you're going to learn the secret to making money online. Look, I know how difficult internet marketing can be if not done right. I've been there. But this video will highlight the single biggest secret that you need to know to be successful. Okay, without further ado, let's talk about making money online. If someone were to ask you what's the #1 secret to making money online was, what would you say? Any guesses? I'm sure that you can think of many answers to this question. I know I can. Maybe you'd start by saying it's to find a starving crowd. Or perhaps the best way is to build and nurture a list. Or to get in on the beginning of a hot new trend. All of these are good answers, and all of these are wrong. That's a rather sweeping statement, I know, but please bear with me for a minute. The big secret to making money online is one that crosses all niches, applies to all markets and marketers, and works just about every single time to make real money. It's how 6- and 7-figure incomes are almost always earned, and it's also how you can begin earning 6 figures in the next 12 months. Now then, before I reveal this secret, let me warn you that you might have heard it before. In fact, I can virtually guarantee it. In fact, some online marketers have to hear this a dozen times or more before it really starts to sink in. And people also hear it so often that it becomes rather blasé and it doesn't get taken seriously, which is a big mistake. Okay, are you ready for the big reveal? Here's the secret. Find a profitable formula and then scale it up. Yep, that's it. Pretty simple, I know. Yet, 98% of marketers will never do it, and 97% of marketers will stay broke because of it. Let's say you spend time making the perfect product for a super hungry niche. You tweak the offer to get it converting sky high. And then what? Most marketers will turn their attention to creating the next product and doing the entire process again. And because of that, they will leave a tremendous amount of money on the table. But wait, there's more. What if you had a back-end product or coaching, continuity programs for even more profit? Are you following me here? So what's the takeaway? Simple. Invest time in building a profitable, high-converting funnel. Test it out and do the math. Start by investing small and ramp your way up. And don't forget to build your list. Your funnel is your upfront money and your list is your go-to money. Don't get lured away by the glamour of creating another new product funnel when you should be scaling up the one you already have. Don't be afraid of spending money to make money. Your biggest mistake would be brushing this advice off. Don't be that person who thinks, yeah, heard it all before. You may have heard this information before, but have you actually implemented it? Fortunes have been made simply by creating a profitable funnel and then scaling it up. So go to it. Find a profitable formula, start small, and then scale it up and watch your business grow. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and leave a comment about whether you agree or disagree about the importance of finding your profitable niche and scaling it up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos helping you to grow your online business. And wherever you are in the world, have a great day.